Welcome to the Teacher Training Portal. My name is Michelle Robison, and I'm the Director of Teacher Training here at Piano Marble. Together with my team, we've helped hundreds and hundreds of teachers take full advantage of the tools that Piano Marble has to offer and turn their lessons into something that they didn't even imagine they could be. Unfortunately, a lot of teachers, the majority of teachers who start using Piano Marble, don't ever get to that point where they're a master Piano Marble teacher because they don't have the guidance, they didn't ask for enough help, and they never really caught the vision of what it could be. We want to see every Piano Marble teacher succeed, wildly succeed. So we've come up with courses to help you get there. The first course that everyone will need to take is the Piano Marble Teacher Certification. That is a prerequisite course to all of the others, and for good reason. In that course, you'll learn absolutely everything you need to know to be wildly successful with your students using Piano Marble. You can take the other courses as well, but that being said, they're all different and not everyone needs the same things. There's a group course where if you don't teach in groups, that doesn't really apply to you. There's an online course, and if you don't teach online lessons, that doesn't apply to you. Once you've finished the Piano Marble Teacher Certification, that basic prerequisite with all the great stuff you need to know, you can add to your skills and your knowledge by taking one or more or all of the other courses. I teach some of the courses and some of my other teammates teach others, but we're here to help you through whatever challenges or problems come up. Whatever questions you have, please let us know. We're here to help. That being said, it's a self-paced course. So you can do it by yourself at your own time. I've had some students take as little as 2 weeks to finish, the main course, and others take, almost a year. So it totally depends on you and your timing, which is one really great thing about it. We will occasionally reach out to you, but not often enough probably. So do not hesitate to reach out to us with whatever questions or problems you have. Thank you so much for being here, for investing in yourself, your education, in your students, and in our Piano Marble community. Click on any of the courses below to learn more details about the particular course and meet your instructor.